Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering on your TV and the fetch box. Make sure the HDMI input shows fetch. Once you see the home screen, sign into your fetch account on device or create one if needed. Then navigate to Settings, open My Account, and choose Enter Code. This first step seeds the process. You're creating the connection between device and account. Keep your remote handy and follow the on-screen prompts so you can retrieve the code in the next step. Now you'll display and use the activation code. On the fetch screen, select Activation or Link Device to show the 6-8 character code. Copy it exactly because letters are case sensitive. Once you have the code, open a browser on your phone or computer and go to the Fetch Activation page. Enter the code into the provided field and sign in with the same account. Once submitted, the system validates the code and prepares to pair the device. This is the key connection step. Finish by waiting for confirmation on both your device and the fetch screen. The app or channel list will update automatically once pairing succeeds. If the code fails, don't panic. Generate a new code on the fetch box and repeat the browser entry, typical if numbers were mistyped or expired. Make sure your fetch box has internet. If pairing stalls, restart the fetch box and router, then try again. This reset clears transient network errors and usually resolves stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.